Transport Pro makes it easy to set up recurring settlements. Most carriers will have several standard weekly or monthly recurring settlement entries such as insurance, fuel tax, escrow accounts, and more. In addition, let's say you loan a driver money and they need to pay you back. You can set up a recurring deduction so that a certain amount will be deducted from their pay until the loan is paid off. We will look at how to set up recurring settlements for a couple of different scenarios. The process is the same in both versions of the software. Follow the path in the menu Settlements, Process Pending Settlements, Manage Recurring Settlements. A Search Recurring Settlements window will open. Click on the Add Recurring Settlement link. Select the status. You can put the recurrence on hold or mark the recurrence as completed. In this case, I want to mark the recurrence as active. Enter the account name. This is the owner-operator, driver, or terminal the recurring settlement is connected to. We encourage you to enter the driver, tractor, and trailer if applicable, as these values can be used when searching the settlement system. For example, if you need to set up a recurrence for insurance against a specific tractor, you would want to enter the tractor number here. When the settlement system creates the settlements for recurring items, the system will take the tractor into account. By doing this, the settlement summary will show a breakdown of each settlement for each tractor and place them on separate pages. This makes it easy for owner-operators with multiple accounts to see a summary of which settlement entries apply to each tractor. Next, select the settlement code. In this scenario, a driver owes me $2,500 for a loan. I'm going to select my loan code from the drop-down. Determine the type of recurring settlement. Is this an earning, deduction, or reimbursement? In this scenario, it is a deduction. You only have the ability to flat rate the amount. Notice that a default rate has been auto-inserted as it is set on the settlement code. This is just the initial suggested amount, but can be changed to any value if needed. If you want to create an initial settlement upon saving this entry, check the box. The system will push this recurrence through to settlements as soon as you save this recurrence. Once you check this box and click Save, you will not have this option again. Enter a cap amount if applicable. For this example, I'm going to put a cap of $2,500 on this recurrence since the loan was for that amount. The system will continue creating recurring settlement entries until we have deducted $2,500. Now you can set the desired recurrence pattern. You have a few different options here. If you select Time Schedule from the drop-down, you will be presented with a gray box that allows you to set the recurrence on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. After you select how you want to set up the recurrence, you can make it more specific. For example, if I select weekly for the pattern, I can say I want the deduction to occur every week on Thursdays. Next, you can set the range of the recurrence. You can select no end date. You can end the recurrence after a certain number of recurrences, or you can set an end date. If you select per load from the recurrence drop-down, the gray box will disappear, as the deduction will come out on a per load basis when you settle the account. You can also select per settlement gross or per settlement net. Enter any external or internal comments if necessary, and they will show on the settlement. Now that you have saved the recurrence, it will automatically pass through to settlements on the schedule you have selected. I will cover the companion code section in a separate video, and please note that companion codes are only applicable in the enterprise version of the software. If you need to search for a recurring settlement, follow the path in the menu Settlements, Process Pending Settlements, Manage Recurring Settlements. A Search Recurring Settlements window will open. Enter any desired search criteria. If you do not enter any criteria and just hit Search, a list of all recurrences will populate in the results. From here, you can review the information, edit the information, or delete a recurrence. You also have the ability to select any of the accounts and change the status. If you want to review or edit the details of a particular recurrence, click on the ID. And that is how you enter a recurring settlement in Transport Pro. If you would like to schedule a demonstration or if you have questions, please call us at 800-800-5917 or email us at info@transportpro.net. You can learn more about us by visiting our website, www.transportpro.net. If you are ready to sign up, you can do so by visiting the features page of our website and clicking Learn More. Thank you for watching this video.